Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So in this video, maghahanap tayo ng mga job posts for social media managers or marketers. So dito mo talaga malalaman gaano ka-in-demand ang mga social media management or social media marketing na services. And let's see kung ano yung budget ng client for that position and ano yung mga job responsibilities. So if you want to see and know more about it, just keep on watching. I have here my laptop. Let's see. So first, ang i-visit natin is yung always na nakakakuha ako ng mga project as a social media manager or as a social media engager or as a social media marketer or as a digital marketer. Let's go to Upwork. Let's look for jobs. Lagyan natin ng social media manager. Let's see if marami. So, as of now, merong 1,418 na naghahanap ng mga social media manager. Nilagyan ko siya ng quote-unquote para sure tayo na ang lalabas talaga is meron talagang word na social media manager. So, if you don't know that, kung gusto niyo na very specific talaga na naghahanap ng social media manager, just put quote-unquote. And then, let's open this one. This is posted 4 hours ago. This one is 10 minutes ago. Let's check kung ano yung papagawa and yung budget. So, we are just really randomly checking here. So first, ang titingnan natin ang rate. Dito, they are also looking for social media manager. The client is from Hong Kong and may almost 4 stars. And yung budget niya from $3 to $18. So, meron siyang budget na ganyan. Ang ipapagawa niya is mag-communicate and mag-grow ng community. Ang ipapahandle TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. And dapat marunong mag-English and marunong mag-Canva. Basta social media management talaga yung skills. Meron talagang edge kung marunong ka sa graphics. Kahit Canva, that's already good na. Needs sila ng at least more than 30 hours per week. So, siguro this will be a full-time project, no? Kasi more than 30 hours per week siya. And then, need nila ng intermediate. So, ang dami na din nag-a-apply. Imagine, hindi lang mga taga-Philippines lang nag-a-apply dito. All over the world ang nag-a-apply. So, for now, merong 20 to 50 na nag-apply na sa job nito. This is posted 4 hours ago pa lang. Matindi talaga ang market, pero ang dami din na nag-hire ng social media manager. Akalain mo, word pa lang na social media manager, merong 1,400 plus na mga companies or clients naghahanap ng social media manager. And then, let's go here sa second. This is posted 10 minutes ago. Ito, social media and marketing manager. Ang dami niyang required dito na kailangan marunong ka mag-manage ng social media. Meron ka ding good writing skills. Meron kang knowledge sa ORM. Not really sure kung ano yung ORM. Siguro online relationship manager. I'm not sure. And then, gusto niya ng expert. So, malaki-laki ang budget. It depends kasi kung pang beginner, hindi masyado malaki yung budget. Kung pang intermediate, siguro mga around $10 to $15. And then expert, it's more than that pa. You can see here the project type. It's a complex project. So, gusto nila talaga ng experts. For 10 minutes, merong nag-propose less than 5 pa lang. And then, we also have here, need someone to do SEO, promote on different kinds of social media. So, this one, kailangan mong malaman kung paano nag-work ang algorithm ng mga social media para maka-implement ka ng own SEO strategy mo. Most of the time, malakas ang SEO ng YouTube, Pinterest, I think TikTok din. I'm not that so updated sa TikTok ngayon kasi hindi ako masyadong ma-TikTok. Kung may TikTok ako, just reposted reels ko lang from Instagram. Ang budget nila is $6 to $18. That's already good. Gusto nilang intermediate, hindi beginner. And then, this is posted 34 minutes ago. So, meron nang nag-propose na around 20 to 50. The rate is already good. If makuha mo ito ng $15 to $18, and that's good. We'll check pa. Ito, ang hourly rate din is from $5 to $15. Yung ganun, parang range lang nila. It depends sa experience mo and sa kung ano yung maitutulong mo sa company. So this one, they are looking for someone who can manage their Instagram account sa wedding photography business niya. This is just for 2 to 3 hours per week. And then schedule mo lang yung stories and reels sa Instagram. This is good. This is a one-time project. If matanggap mo to na project, you can get more projects pa kasi 2 to 3 hours per week lang siya. Ang dami ding nag-apply, 20 to 50 din yung nag-propose for this one, and naglulok lang siya ng entry level. So, hindi niya kailangan ng expert, hindi niya kailangan ng meron talaga experience. And then, let's look for another here. Social media manager then. Sales rep knows how to handle customers, mag-manage ng account, dealing with clients. Gusto ng intermediate for this one. Less than 30 hours per week, therefore, mahulog na part-time lang din, hindi din siya full-time. And meron na nag-propose na 5 to 10. Dito yan makikita sa baba. So this one, social media manager, willing siyang mag-pay ng $10 to $30 per hour. But kailangan niya ng expert, marunong mag-handle ng accounts, tapos marunong mag-generate ng leads, marunong sa social media strategy, marunong mag-grow ng social media accounts for Facebook and Instagram. Marunong din dapat mag-ano ng ads campaign, yung paid promotion ng Facebook and Instagram. So kailangan niya ng expert, that's why willing siyang mag-pay ng $10 to $30 per hour. For this one, madami na din ang nag-propose. Meron ng 20 to 50. So let's also check this. This is also a part-time job kasi less than 30 hours per week yung gusto niya. Gusto niya is intermediate. $6 to $13 for this task. All support and tools are provided, so you really don't have to pay something or acquire something para gamitin sa marketing or sa work. As what we can see, most sa mga projects as a social media manager, nagre-range yung hourly rate into $3 to $30. It depends kung willing sila mag-pay sa mga expert or pang beginner or pang intermediate yung gusto nila na level of your skills. So, let's see naman if ever hindi siya per hour. Kung gusto ko makita na fixed price lang, dito natin siya makikita. So, for the fixed price, merong mga clients na willing mag-pay, na mag-manage ng social media accounts. $750, $189, $250, $50. It just really depends sa kung anong company and kung ano yung ipapagawa niya. So, nag-iiba-iba talaga. If you want an hourly, just also check this one para makita nyo yung mga pang-hourly din. Kung ayaw ng fixed rate, can also do that. Personal experience ko, no? Even if they will put here na $3 up to $18, if you are going to bid more than that and then nakita nila yung kaya mong gawin for their social media accounts, pwede ka nilang i-hire more than pa sa budget nila. Pero meron ding mga clients na na-experience ko din, kahit anong laki ng budget nila, pero once na-hire ka na, like nagka-agree na kayo no, na you are going to work with them, pag send na nila ng contract, they will negotiate pa the price. So let's say ang nilagay nila dito na budget is $10 to $15, pero once nagkaintindihan na kayo na, sige, we are going to work together, and then you will ask na for the contract and they will try to negotiate a lesser per hour. Na-experience ko din yan na at first, as far as I know, ang nilagay ko na rate is $15 per hour. Pero nung nag-send na talaga ng contract, pinurswade nila ako na kung pwede mag-start kami to $10 per hour and then mag-increase na up to $15 if they really want my service sa kanila. So, be aware lang na ito lang yung range na nilagay nila. Hindi talaga to yung real price talaga na ibibigay nila. And it just depends kung ano yung negotiation nyo ni client during the discovery call. Always ask lang talaga kung ano yung you think worth talaga ng service nyo. Sa kahit anong platforms, marami talagang naghahanap ng mga social media managers or social media marketers. Sa nakikita natin, no, merong mga clients na may budget sila for the beginners na nagsa-start ng $3 per hour. Pero meron din clients that they are willing to pay as much as $30 per hour para sa expert na. For the job description, of course, part talaga ang pag-create ng content, pag-manage ng social media. Sometimes nag-aas sila ng someone who knows how to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Meron ding iba na need nila ng someone na knows how to handle Shopify din and WordPress. Meron talagang mga side tasks na hindi talaga for social media, pero actually yung mga bagong company pa lang and hindi pa masyadong malaki yung business nila, they really look for someone na maraming skills na pwedeng magawa. They prefer to go for someone na maraming alam or maraming kayang gawin. If you are being hired sa mga malalaki na talaga na company or brand, no, they are willing to pay for you as an expert talaga, na yan lang talaga yung focus mo. So, I hope nakita nyo na marami pang projects na pwede nyong pag-applyan. Though, I know a lot of you are messaging me na you feel like ang dami ng mga social media managers and parang feeling mo wala ng projects for you. No, actually, madami talagang naghahanap ngayon ng social media managers. Marami pang mga third-party platforms, marami pang agencies, and marami pang mga direct clients na naghahanap sa Facebook groups and other platforms pa. If you want to grab our list sa mga third-party platforms, message us on our Facebook page. And also, if you like to grab the list of mga agencies na alam na nag-hire din ng social media managers, you can also message us para we can send the list of agencies. If you have other questions pa when it comes to social media management or virtual assistants or freelancing, comment that below so that we can create a content for you. So yeah, join our Facebook group. I'm ready to boss up by 𝗏𝗏𝗁, and don't forget to like our Facebook page at BossedUp PH and follow us on our Instagram accounts at 𝗏𝗏𝗁 and at BossedUp PH. Hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!